Hello beautiful people. Magnesium is one of the most abundant minerals in the human body and is used in over 300 different physiological processes. Unfortunately, magnesium is also one of the most pervasive deficiencies in our society today. Could the lack of magnesium be influencing your health negatively? This video breaks down the signs of a magnesium deficiency and the best ways to get more in your diet. According to American neurosurgeon Norman Shealy, MD, PhD, almost every known disease is associated with a magnesium deficiency. There are 10 major signs that clue me in as to whether or not someone has a magnesium deficiency. 1. Poor cognitive processing. If you are dealing with frequent bouts of brain fog, poor concentration, or constant memory issues, you may have a magnesium deficiency. Structures within every cell of the body, called mitochondria, are responsible for producing the energy that the body uses for everything. The brain contains the highest concentration of mitochondria in the male body. Females have a higher concentration in their ovaries. Mitochondria are heavily reliant on magnesium for energy production, so a deficiency can hamper your brain performance significantly. It comes at no surprise that supplemental magnesium has been shown to improve learning and memory. 2. Headaches and chronic migraines. It has been found that sufferers of chronic migraines often have lower levels of magnesium in their bodies. Considering how important magnesium is for proper nerve function, this makes a lot of sense. Magnesium also plays the additional key role of regulating neurotransmitter production, which can also influence migraines. Supplemental magnesium, check the first link in the video description, taken on a regular basis has been shown to decrease both the frequency and intensity of migraine headaches. Additionally, magnesium has been shown to have the same effect on non-migraine headaches as well. 3. Constipation and IBS. Constipation is one digestive issue I hear all the time. Proper magnesium intake actually softens stools by drawing water into the bowels, supporting healthy elimination. If stools become too hard, they move slower through the colon and become a problem. This is why I always recommend magnesium when I hear this complaint. Additionally, magnesium plays a major role in regulating muscle contractions in the intestines, and this is why a magnesium deficiency often results in constipation. In this way, magnesium can also be very helpful in relieving discomfort and cramping due to IBS or other similar conditions. 4. Fatigue. Magnesium is highly involved with energy production. As mentioned before, the mitochondria in your cells heavily rely on magnesium to produce energy. Your mitochondrial function primarily determines your energy levels. Additionally, magnesium supports the adrenal glands, which can play a huge part in energy production as well. And the kicker, because magnesium is involved in so many enzymatic processes in the body, deficiency will make it harder to perform over 300 normal processes. This acts as a chronic stressor on your body and drains your energy. 5. Insomnia. Insomnia is one of the big conditions I see a lot of improvement in when beginning magnesium supplementation. This is because magnesium is involved in the production of GABA in the brain. GABA is what is known as an inhibitory neurotransmitter. This just means a chemical that promotes relaxation. If you don't have enough magnesium to produce adequate amounts of GABA, your sleep will likely suffer. Although there are other nutrients involved with GABA production, magnesium is a critical factor that will heavily determine your sleep quality. 6. Muscle spasms and cramping. Because magnesium is so important for proper nerve transmission, it comes as no surprise that it also plays a vital role in muscle contraction. When magnesium is depleted, muscle contractions can become weak and uncoordinated, leading to involuntary spasms and painful cramps. This is actually one of the most common early signs of magnesium deficiency. Spasms typically occur in the legs, feet, and sometimes even in places like the eyelids. If you are a woman, you may also experience worsened PMS-related cramping when magnesium stores are low. 7. Chronic pain and fibromyalgia. chronic pain and related conditions like fibromyalgia are heavily related to tension carried in the body. This tension can be purely physical, but can also be aggravated by emotional stress as well. Emotions such as anxiety, anger, and worry all contribute to physical tension. Over time, this chronic tension leads to pain. When magnesium stores are low in the body, the nervous system can become hyperexcitable, meaning easily overstimulated, which can increase muscle tension. Magnesium can play a role here by helping to elicit an overall calming effect on the mind and body while soothing and relaxing the muscles. 8. Heart arrhythmia. The heart is a muscle that constantly contracts inside our bodies without needing to be consciously controlled. Just as with other muscles in the body, the heart relies heavily on magnesium for proper contractility. This is thought to be due to its role in regulating calcium and potassium concentrations in the muscle tissue. If you notice that your heart beats irregularly, magnesium may be something to address. This includes rapid heartbeats, slow heartbeats, and sudden changes in heart rhythm for no apparent reason. 9. Numbness and tingling. If you often feel numbness or tingling sensations in your body, such as in the hands and feet, this is likely due to a change in nerve activity. For example, peripheral neuropathy, a common side effect of diabetes, is characterized by these sensations. Because of its role in healthy nerve transmission, magnesium deficiency may be at least in part playing a role here. Limited research has been performed on this mechanism specifically, but some studies have shown that magnesium may be able to relieve or prevent numbness and tingling in the extremities. 10. Mood disorders. Magnesium plays a crucial role in regulating neurotransmitter balance. Neurotransmitters are chemicals in the brain that regulate thought patterns and behaviors ranging from motivation to sleep to focus, and many more. As mentioned before, magnesium is particularly involved in GABA production in the brain, which is a calming neurotransmitter. A poor ability to produce adequate GABA in the brain results in conditions such as ADD, ADHD, anxiety, irritability, and general mood imbalances. If you identify with these feelings on a regular basis, you should consider increasing your daily magnesium intake. For the best magnesium supplements, check the first link in the video description. By now you understand how important magnesium is for the human body. Even if you do not have any of the common symptoms of magnesium deficiency listed above, just about anyone can benefit from additional magnesium in the diet. I use magnesium every day as I find that it helps keep my mind at ease and my energy levels balanced. It also has the cool effect of acting as an adaptogen by improving your body's ability to adapt to everyday stressors. It truly is a modern-day health tonic. Also, I have a free gift for you. Check the link in the video description to download for free 25 yummy smoothie recipes that help you burn belly fat, balance your hormones, defeat diabetes and enjoy all-day energy. Thanks for watching today's video. If you find this video helpful, give me a big thumbs up. Please, don't forget to comment and subscribe for more videos. Bye and see you in the next video.